because my wife likes this drawing today. Went from Chuck. I'll draw this a little bit bigger so you can see it. Jesse. Adam. Dennis. Chuck started out with the drawing. Okay? Chuck didn't know what the fuck, so he goes, well, I'm going to give this off to Jesse. So Jesse gets the drawing. At this time, the drawing's in his hand. Now he goes, hey, Dion, do you want me to make all these parts? I said, no, I need you to make the parts and then give, how you doing? Then give them to Chuck so Chuck can build them. Okay? So then he gives it back to Chuck. Chuck then gives it to Adam, and Adam goes, do you want me to build these things? Which just hit me over a couple minutes ago. So now Adam's got it. Adam had to go over to Dennis and find out where all the material is. Now I see Dennis giving a drawing back to Adam saying, dumb fuck, here's the pie. You're not filming my butt, are you? And now Adam is in this constant struggle over a piece that has a couple little holes and a piece of fucking pipe in the son of a bitch. They're welds.
That's it?
That's it.
Alright.
So this fucking drawing is doing a round robin through the plant over this little bastard here.